Back over on Bill's Packard. We swapped the Pertronix last time we were here, and then we couldn't get it to start because this occurred. But got one. AL99. That's the part number. Now we know. So we were trying to crank it over, and this is the one out of the new Pertronix. This is the one out of the old Pertronix. There is a depth difference. So I was feeling the distributor cap move when Bill was cranking it, like the rotor was hitting. Well, now we know why. We got ourselves a happy camper now. Get our air cleaner sitting back where she goes. Oh, we'll just slip it right back over and it'll be good to go. Pretty Packard.
Do you do brakes?
Yep, we do brakes.
Got a squeaky one.
Sounds like the T-Bird I got sitting in the shop right now. Squeaky everything.
Got a funny rattle back here, and I can't figure out what it is.
I can hear it.
Sometimes it goes away, and other times, like now, it drives me crazy.
We can take a look. I bet it's suspension related.
Being a little,
We can take a little timing out. Just a hair.